Just wanted to say thank you so much for the amazing advice in your book, The Magic of Making Up. Yesterday was that all-important first date, and it was absolutely fantastic. I just had an email from him saying what a great time he had and how he can't believe how cool it was to be together. Also, back when we split up, your book picked me up out of the mud when I was feeling the worst I ever felt in my life. And doing all the things you advised gave me a lifeline. Now I am so much stronger and happier. I'm still going to take things slowly with my ex. I'm not at the end of your plan yet, but I can't believe how well life is going only 2 months after I felt like I was half dead. Thank you so much, Alice. Go to magicofmakinguphere.com now, and you can have your own success story, just like Alice.